Hi there, I'm Jen Tozer and I'm a member of the student support team here at dBs Institute, and I'm going to be showing you around our amazing campus here in Plymouth. We are situated in the heart of the city, within walking distance of the commercial centre and the historic Barbican and Hoe. Plymouth is where the dBs story began, and in those 25 years we've amassed a vast and unique selection of vintage and modern equipment for you to learn on. With a thriving electronic music scene, vibrant venues, theatres and art galleries, Plymouth has a wealth of opportunities for you to develop as a creative professional. There's a lot to see: recording studios, production suites, lecture spaces and more, spread across multiple buildings. So let's get stuck in and head to one of our flagship studios, the Neve Suite. At the heart of this studio is our 16-channel Neve Genesis hybrid console, which is found in professional studios across the world. This desk has modern functionality, but is designed to replicate the vintage Neve sound you will hear on so many classic records. In this room, we have both digital and analog recording capabilities, giving flexibility and choice in approaches. We also have some classic pieces of outboard rack equipment, from compressors and EQs and everything else you would need. Connected next door is the live room, which is fully equipped with drums, guitar amps, pianos and keyboards, all of which can be captured to a high standard with our large selection of microphones. Even if you are primarily door-based, the Neve Suite provides the opportunity to break out of the box and learn techniques that will improve your skills as a producer or sound engineer. On this floor, we have our HD studios for recording and producing. HD Studio 1 and 3 share a common setup revolving around the Audion ASP4816 mixing desk. These studios are fantastic for honing your mixdown skills and introducing hardware effects into your workflow. The Audion is well laid out and a very effective console to learn on. Skills learned here translate very well to other large format consoles. Across our studios, you'll find a broad range of monitors from the likes of Adam Audio, KRK and Dyne Audio, where you can check your mixes across a range of playback and listening devices. HD Studio 2 and 4 also share a lot in common, and these production suites are great for working in the box and integrating outboard gear and hardware instruments into your tracks via the SSL X Desk. Effects include units from Audient, DBX, Lexicon, Motu, TL Audio and Trident. Connected to all these studios, we have a live room with an acoustically treated vocal booth, as well as an array of instruments and hardware for you to record with. This is our newest studio space, the SSL Studio and Dolby Atmos mixing suite, which features a state-of-the-art 7.1.4 focal speaker system. The centerpiece of this studio is our SSL AWS 924 Delta console, another industry-leading desk featuring analog and digital recording capabilities. The skills learned on this console directly translate to the larger consoles such as the classic 4000 and 9000 series, which you can put to the test during your annual trip to Peter Gabriel's real-world studio. To complement the SSL, we have a selection of outboard, including Neve and Universal audio compressors, alongside some lunchbox-based preamps for a different flavour when you're track laying. But where this space really comes to life is the ability to mix in Dolby Atmos, an innovative platform for mixing that creates immersive listening experiences. In today's industry, learning new mixing techniques and technologies is absolutely key to carving out a career. Having access to Atmos, which is rapidly becoming an industry standard through its implementation into Apple Music, post-production and immersive systems such as Apple Vision Pro allows undergraduates to embrace these techniques and build their skill sets in innovative areas. Here we are in the EMP suite, where you'll find our electronic music production students spending most of their time. It's also the home of the modular research group run by Finn Head and Matt Ward. The centre island is often used for demoing hardware systems and currently has a vintage original Korg MS-20, Waldorf Blofeld keyboard, Vermona DRM Mark IV, and a bunch of FX units routed to the main machine. At the back of the room, we have 12 Macs with Novation keyboard controllers running Ableton Live 11, Logic Pro X, and Native Instruments Complete. In this space, we also have a beautifully unique modular synth made by Analog Systems. This system was originally built in Cornwall and was influential in the development of the Euro rack format as we know it today. The unique equipment and depth of knowledge we have within the Plymouth team regarding modular synthesis is something specific to this campus that you're not likely to find anywhere else in an educational setting. The HE Suite is one of our flagship multi-person production suites with one student per computer. It allows us to teach the intricacies of techniques in various digital audio workstations such as Pro Tools with a truly hands-on approach. This allows you to prepare for a studio session by creating templates, setting up the DAW, naming your tracks. It also allows you to review studio sessions and try techniques in the box that you might have explored in the studio. Also on this floor, we have a common room where you can hang out between your lectures and seminars. Originally named after the American beat matching pioneer Francis Grasso, the Grasso Suite comprises 7 bookable rooms, each with different DJ and live performance setups. Here we have the classic Pioneer CDJs, Technics 1210 and 1200s, as well as Pioneer DJ controllers equipped with Tractor, Serato and Record Box. Each room is fully equipped with professional monitors, Macs and audio interfaces to track any audio and playback that you are performing. We've got a huge collection of vinyl to practice with and sample using our Akai MPC 2500. There's a vast array of bookable gear for use in these spaces, allowing you to craft multiple creative setups during your time here. So that was a tour of our Plymouth campus. Thank you for joining us. If you want to come for an open day, book a private tour, or apply to one of our degrees, you can find all the information you need in the description. See you soon.